Hey everybody, hope you're all doing okay out there. For those of you that are new to my channel, I bought this house in September of 2022 here in the Villages. I live in the north end of the Villages in the Spanish Springs area. The house was built in 2001, so as of making this video, it's 22 years old. So today, I thought I would show you my landscaping. A big project I plan on doing this year is redoing the outside. I got some bushes to pull. I had some stuff that's overgrown. I have a palm tree that I think is sick. There's a lot of good stuff out there. The previous owners had a cool concept when they laid it out, but it's old and it's overgrown, so I'm going to be making some changes. But I thought I'd walk you around, show you my landscaping, and maybe get some feedback from you guys on what you think I ought to do. All right, let's go. All right, here we are walking through my Florida room, which I have yet to get furniture for, and out into my bird cage. So I haven't really done anything out here yet. I want to, refinish the patio surface because I did pull an old hot tub that was in there. I pulled out of there, and I need to, refresh that cement. And I'd like to repaint this bird cage. But anyway, there's that tall palm tree that I think is sick and I might have to pull down. Here's a cool little garden spot. Frost killed some of that stuff, but I'm going to replace those flower pots with some, new flowers and stuff like that. But you can see I got this great private area. It's really cool. And there's houses behind me, but between our homes there's just such nice shrubbery and trees that it's very private. And here we're walking out to my backyard, and that's my orange tree or Meyer lemon or something like that. I'm not quite sure, but I did eat them and they tasted just like oranges, but they are yellow like a lemon, so you tell me what they are. And these are my Chinese palms. Beautiful trees. They're really healthy. They look gorgeous. And I got some cactus. And there's some nice shrubs. This side of the house doesn't have a whole lot running down that side, but that's okay. And there's my poor sick palm tree. Alright, so as you look down this back here, you could see that my neighbors have nice shrubs, giving privacy to everybody. My trees fill in all the gaps real nice. And believe it or not, I get tons of sun back there too, so during lunchtime I'll lay out in my little bird cage there and enjoy it. Here's a nice old tree. So with the older homes up north, you have the benefit of this mature landscaping, Offers a lot of privacy. It looks really nice. It's just wonderful. And you can see I have like a rock patio area. It's really nice. I gotta put a new barbecue grill out here. That's what I need. Alright, we're heading towards the side yard, obviously. And that's one of my little islands out there, I call it, with that palm tree straight ahead. And you can get kind of an idea how big my yard is here. So the grass looks a little rough right now because it is March. And so some of the shrubs and the grass doesn't look as good as it usually does in the summer. And that plant, I think the frost killed it. So I gotta rip that out. Here we're walking over to the island and check out this cool cactus, which reminds me of Sedona, Arizona, one of my favorite places on earth. So I really love that cactus. And that palm tree is pretty cool. There you kind of get a shot of the side. I really like the general layout. What do you guys think about those blocks, those bricks? Do you think I should get rid of them or keep them? I'm torn on that. I wonder if it's a little overkill. So here I'm going to the corner of my property to show you how big, when I say my yard's big, for the Villages, it's big. I've had acres before, but in the Villages, to have a yard like this is pretty phenomenal, I think. And Gridley loves it. He gets to run a little bit. Here's my property line. So I'm standing right at the corner, but you know, it's pretty good, pretty significant. You know, largely because it's a corner lot and an older home, so we have a little bit more setback, I think, up north. So this tree we're walking up to is pretty cool. I'm not sure what kind it is. Usually I trim it, you know, straight across the bottom, and it looks really neat. It's way more colorful in the summertime, you know, full of green, but you can see it has some red flowers on it. And this tree growing sideways is pretty awesome. I don't know, it's something really cool about that. And my hedges, which I'm glad are there because it would be pretty bland on that side of the house, you know, just a wall. And there's my poor dead plants I gotta pull out. But that last frost that hit us killed those guys, I think. And my bushes are usually full, it's just the time of year, you know, I mean the hedges. And then as we walk up to this beautiful tree thing, you guys tell me what this is. I never remember the name of it, but I need to trim it back. So when I first bought the house, that whole corner was way overgrown, and here's a picture of the before and after for that one corner. And I don't even know what that was growing in there, but ripped it out and trimmed that cool rubbery plant looking tree, and then 4 months later it turned into this again. So now I have to I guess I'm learning, I have to keep that thing trimmed back, but it's pretty cool. It looks like it has some dying branches, but again, I think that might be from the frost, but the plant's fine. There's some cactus. Here's my problem. The front of the house. These old bushes and shrubs have to go. Not that cactus. I love the cactus, but you can see the shrubs are just way too old and mature, and it'd be nice to clean all this up, rip most of this out. There's my front palm tree, and that guy's healthy. Probably have to trim a frond or two on it. This part of the landscaping needs help, obviously. So I gotta clean all that out. I might be able to save some of those shrubs. This is the area that really concerns me, and it's gonna take most of the work. I'm gonna pull these shrubs out. I think that's an azalea bush. Beautiful flowers. I hate to rip it out, but I think I almost have to. You know, I want to start from scratch up front here. Imagine when it was put in, it looked amazing. But these shrubs are bushes are too tall, you know. It just eats up my whole front porch area. And I like a little bit. I like to see shrubs and bushes, but not to that extent. Well, there you have it. So you can see I got some work cut out for me. Again, thanks for watching my videos and sharing this experience with me. I appreciate you guys. I'm overwhelmed with the comments and feedback, and it's all been really cool. So thanks for joining me on this journey of my new experience here in the Villages. Take care of each other out there, and we'll catch you on the next video. See you guys. Bye. Hey guys, I almost forgot. One more thing I wanted to share with you. I am an illustrator, so one of my side hobbies is designing t-shirts. And I design a lot of fun cartoon car shirts for hot rodders and guys who like muscle cars. I do a lot of military stuff, aviation related designs. I even have a design for, you know, golf cart fanatics here in the Villages, and just all kinds of interesting stuff. My website is at chiefhobie.com, which is CHIEFHOBIE.com. Check it out. Appreciate your support. And if you're a Prime member, you even get free shipping. So it's pretty cool. You can browse by design, and you can pick the different categories: animals, aviation, cars. You got some spiritual stuff, golf cart humor, holidays, birthdays, retirement gift. Check it out. If you like t-shirts, you like collecting t-shirts, or you want to get a gift for that hot rodder or military person or whoever in your life, there's something for everybody here. So check it out. chiefhobie.com. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys.